Right, problem number 2, based on fraction. Let me solve for you. So we are supposed to simplify here 8 into 21 into 24 by 48 into 7 into 15. Let me write down here 8 into 21 into 24, that divided by 48 into 7 into 15. Now, so here multiple divisors are there in the denominator portion, so you can easily work on it, right? Don't multiply numerator and as well as denominators here and then divide it. So start working on it here. It's very simple one. Now by observing what we can do here, 24 and 48 we can divide it. 24 ones are 24 twos are, correct? Now again you can check out here 2 and 8, I can divide 8 by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 fours are, right? Now so 21 and 7 I can divide it, right? 7 ones are 7 threes are, right? Now see what happens here, 3, 15 is here, 3 ones are 3 fives are, right? The remaining numbers in the numerator, remaining number is 4 and in the denominator it is 5, right? Answer is 4 by 5. Option B is the right one.